What's up guys, welcome back to Tunercult Garage for another vlog. We have a full house today. Right behind me, as you guys can see, we have a fully tracked out Evo. On Instagram at J_RXS. Good old TE37's up here. Brembo brakes, aero all throughout the car. Front end of this car is super aggressive. Jay just competed at the show car shootout and actually took first place. Gonna get nice and low for the next car that's up. We have behind me Mr. McKayan's NSX. This thing is super clean. Pretty sure you guys have seen it. It's one of the more popular NSXs on Instagram. Bag NSX on some Workmeisters. Super clean. One of my favorite NSXs that I know of in the SoCal area. Clean engine bay. Everything about this car is done with specific detail. Everything is super clean about it. And for the last car that we have in the warehouse today, this is actually something pretty special, something very uncommon, especially here in the States. I know you guys are gonna love, but it is an S15. Super clean, as you can tell. It's got an Origin wide body kit on it, which I actually really enjoy. Super subtle. It's not crazy like the Rocket Bunny or the Pandem kits. Nice work wheels. The owner of the car you can find on Instagram at Michael M Photos. He plans on drifting it in the future, and he's done a angle kit up front already for the car, and is planning to Jay-Z swap it pretty soon. So we've actually got a pretty full house today. Today is Labor Day, so a lot of people have the day off and they're all hanging out. As you can see.
Hey, don't crack smile, bro. Come here. Stop. Come on.
Ready? 3, 2. Everyone's just in here hanging out, having a good time. Went ahead and pulled out the S15 out to our little shoot spot where we take all their Instagram photos and do some of the video stuff. We're gonna go for a ride along in it for a little bit. I'm super excited about this. This will be my first ride in an S15 ever. So joining with me right now is Michael, who's the owner of the car. He's gonna tell you a little bit about it and then the future plans for it and how he got it and stuff like that.
So this is my S15, it's a Spec R, it's 1999. Ultimately my main goal with it is I wanna go 2J. I want to just make it a full track car, kind of keep that crazy Japanese heritage with it, the crazy colors, the just insane driving style, and just go full blown with that, because you don't really see that over here as much. You see a lot of S13s, S14s, so I want to keep it, keep the Japanese heritage with it, but still have fun with it. I'm going to keep dialing in the suspension, get that ready to go, and then once that's all done, gonna go ahead and start the Jay-Z swap. I currently have a block that I'm building, going through resealing it, all that fun stuff, big single on it. So in the near future that'll be happening. Just trying to take it slow, make sure I do everything right, because I don't want anything to get messed up on this car. But soon enough you'll see it doing some track events and whatnot. As of now, it's just gonna keep it clean and make sure everything runs right.
Alright, let's hop in this thing and take it for a rip. It's always super interesting being in a right-hand drive because obviously sitting passenger, you're where normally it would be your driver's seat. This thing's quick. Mr. McKayan trying to find a way out of the driveway without scraping. Another happy customer at Tunercult Garage.
Ready for school. Might as well give it a thumbs up.
If you're in the OC area, make sure you stop by the Tunercult Garage here in Irvine and check out the merch.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
That's right.